Abuse VQ, stay locked in.
Alright squad, so we're getting going with the radiator support. We got the front bumper off. We're about to get the reinforcement. We got the foam off. Yeah, definitely want to clean these headlights. Gotta take all this good stuff off. I mean, I guess the only good thing here is that this is welded to the reinforcement bar up front. So we can just move this to the side and give us a little bit more space. Get in here, start taking some stuff apart. You already know what type of time we on. Radiator support, new one over there. Let's get it, team. You already know what time it is. Stay locked in. All right, we're shaking squadron. Dove in, GoPro. I don't know, I need a new battery because I was kind of done fighting with that to give y'all the overview on how I'm getting it done here, you know, to do the radiator support. But for the most part, it's out, team. You know what I'm saying? Just check a couple more screws and see what we looking like. But yeah, this shit ready to come off, kid. Slap this shit off, and then we got the new one right over there. Slap it on and then reverse process. It's really nothing major, my guys. Literally just disconnecting stuff. Sorry about this. Spilled coolant and all that. I'm gonna get some paint and clean this whole joint up all over here, so don't mind that. But yeah, team. That's what it is for right now. Just keep me on the loop. Yeah, so like I was saying, squad, it's nothing crazy. No radiator. I was able to kind of just move the condenser back so it's off of this. I know I'm gonna probably have to switch over the grommets to the new radiator support, but a couple more bolts, team, and we are out of here, unless we're good right now, which I think we are. I think we good right now. I believe I got all the bolts out that we need. So we are going to snatch this off and show y'all what it looked like. Alright, squad, I just want to give that to y'all. The old radiator support. I gotta probably take the rubber grommets out the bottom for the condenser and for the radiator. Then I probably gotta take the bumper clips off. I'll take those off and swap those over to the new one. But let's come over here. And yeah, team, told you I was gonna paint that up, clean that up real nice. Then we'll do the caps and all that other stuff. Yeah, you see I got the red thumb. But coming together, team, coming together. Pull that whole front side off, radiator support out. Now let's just get the new one so we can get it going. You already know. New radiator support on deck, team. Y'all already know the vibe. My only gripe is in transit. This part got broken, so I'm gonna see if I can't kind of like file that down and make that even. And then one of these little clips, I think it was this one here on the bottom. That's good. Yeah, it's this one on the bottom. Oop, this clip here on the bottom is broken. But other than that, radiator support on deck, good to go. Fresh joint. Last joint says I put the grommets for the condenser. Let me get the grommets for the radiator, and we're good. So we back. And of course, I don't know if you guys remember when the tow trucking company smashed the front of my shit. This doesn't line up how it's supposed to. You can clearly see it's off. This, you can see the holes. That's good, not a problem. Got one bolt started at the bottom, bolts at the top, not a problem, right? My main joint now is I'm gonna need to use my dermal and probably cut this portion in over, cut this portion in over. All of these gotta get cut just a little bit so the bolts could fit. The last joint I would ever want is to half-ass putting on my reinforcement bars. So you see we got the painting, everything looking wavy. Just waiting for the dermal to charge so we can cut into that right there. Call it a wrap, team. Let's go. All right, squad. Yeah, y'all see it's damn near nighttime, bro. Like, been on this shit all day, I'm tired. But we got it. Got it to line up. Besides this portion and over here, everything else lined up. Everything else was wavy. We was able to put everything back exactly how is supposed to be. So, moment of truth about to come. Let me slap the front bumper on. Let's close the hood and see what we look like, team. Y'all already know the vibe. I'm not gonna hold y'all, squad. Meant to give it to you yesterday, but it's not 100, but the shit is 10 times better. Oh my goodness, man. A little bit of normalcy on the front end look. Just kind of got to play with the driver's side a little bit to kind of fleshing that out. But other than that, squad, let's see. Yeah, but we good though, baby. Can't complain. Can't complain at all, Mo. All right, squad, just wanted to give y'all that once over on the 3.0. Pardon the new colors trying to get on the car. Pollen and shit. But, yeah, nah, radiator support, everything look wavy. Everything line up. Everything looking good. That is probably my next joint is I'm gonna need a new front bumper. Riding around with the radiator support messed up, cracked my joint there. So we'll have to put in a new order unless I can find it in a junkyard. But this is what we looking like, team. We are A1, Mo. You know what I'm saying? Back in there. My next thing is I'll probably paint the caps, paint the CCV box for the cold air intake and the other caps over there. Try and clean up this transmission and see how that goes. And just clean up the engine bay. But my next main thing, squad, is just to finish with the suspension. We did the TNN. You see we got fresh bolts here. Don't mind that, it just rained, but fresh coilovers. Word, as you can see, fresh coilovers. So we're good in that aspect. I just need to do the front and rear end links, and then just to get nasty with it and make sure I cover all of my bases is I want to do the front and rear sway bar bushings. So we'll get all of that good stuff out the way, but just wanted to give y'all an update on how the radiator support turned out. This is how we looking. It's looking good. Like the lineup, you know what I mean? Like I said, the passenger side is not perfect, but we'll tinker with that just to make it fit exactly right. But this is what it is, team. You already know. Stay locked in.